Make it bigger and bigger, and then just go along my brush as I need to. And then we're going to make them a little bit more water in your brush and start to pull zigzag lines really close together. Some little half circles. Pull to the center and drop. And then our biggest one last, because it's in front of those. Now we've created a little hill that takes us down, have like a dark base under them, so we can just use that. Building up our snow and highlights. And the water. Or some snow and a highlight. I'm going to add some clouds, bumps, and then just some the snow. Just going to push and twist around. Tap. A little bit using the side of my filbert, and I'm going to come right down here, and I'm going to start some branches. I'll be switching. The tree. So we just want to apply this over part of the purple, flatten. So we've got some lines that are going to go up, 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 up. And I'm just tapping the brush like that, and then I'm going to make them bigger as they come down here. Boards. Add a little bench or bridge. A little railing. And over top of a railing. Shadow for some path, some kind of path here in the snow. On this side. So the ones on this side I'm gonna apply it pretty thick and lumpy like this. You can kind of just twist and roll here too if I add a little bit more white. Catch the top and drop.